Good evening, Professor Nystrom. This is Michael Dreiker from your ET716 class. And today I'm showing you the concert tickets for assignment A16. And I'm going to start off by showing you the strings file. So for the strings files, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strings and one string array. Okay? So the first string is going to be a string with the name of app name, and it's going to be called concert tickets. Then we're going to have a string with the name of text title, and it's going to say ticket vault. Then we're going to have a string with the name of text tickets, it's going to be called number of tickets. We have a string name called prompt, and that's going to have a value of select group, and then we're going to have a string name with description, and then we're going to have it labeled concert image. Then we're going to have a string name, button cost, and we're going to have it labeled find the cost. Then we're going to have a string array named text group, and this is where we're going to list our three bands like we did in class. So the first band that we chose in class was Chime, the second band was Falling Reverse, which I really recommend checking out, and then the third item is Dr. Ozai, or Ozzy. I've never heard of these bands except for Falling Reverse. Um, but that's besides the point. Moving on, we have the layout. We have the ticket vault here, and again, I have to apologize for any background noise. So we have the ticket vault here, where I gave it a text title, a ID of text title, and then I gave it a text value of at string slash text title. Then we have a number, and I gave it an ID of text tickets, and I gave it a hint of at string slash text tickets. Then we have a selector or a spinner, and a text group. That's really what it is, a text group, and we gave it a ID of text group and the entries of at array slash text group. So that array slash text group is just like it's listing these three items by calling it from this string array. Okay. Then what would I do? My bad. Then we have the image, and I gave it an ID of description, and I gave it a content description of at string slash description, and then I have a button, and I gave it an ID of button cost, and we gave it a text of add string slash button cost, and then we have this blank t- um, text view which has an ID of text result. It has no text in it or anything, and the primary reason for that is because we're using this text result to display the end result of the code of the tickets, right? And the goal of this application is that the user can put in a number of tickets, choose the band that they want, and it's going to say, hey, for this band that you chose, the total cost of the tickets is so amount of money or X amount of money. Okay. Then we go to the main activity Java. Here we have where we've created the the variables here. So we have a double cost per ticket. Give it a value of 79.99. We have a total number of integer number of tickets. We have a double total cost, and we have a string group choice. Okay. Then we have the final edit tickets. Where ticket is the edit tags, and it's gonna find it by the resource ID of text tickets. Then we have the spinner group over here, where it's gonna find it by the ID of resource ID text group. Then we're gonna have the button cost, where it's the button is gonna find it by the RID button cost. This basically links the button to this button because it has that ID. And my computer is dying, so I'm gonna give myself a brief second here. Alright, and we should be good to go. Yep, perfect. We're good to go. I just plugged it in. It took me 1 second to plug it in. I thought it came unplugged. That's crazy. And sorry about this. I didn't know my computer was going to die at the most inopportune moment. Alright, so we're back. And I wish there was a way to pause the recording. Oh, there is. Who knew? Anyway, that was like 20 seconds right there, but my bad. Either way, so it's going to display the end result. Okay, and back to the code here. Over here is where it's going to take the number of tickets. It's going to parse it. It's going to get it from that to string over there. Then we're going to have the total cost. I'm going to set it equal to the cost per ticket and the number of tickets. Then we're going to have. So this total cost is perhaps one of the most important strings because without it, that number value of whatever the amount of tickets is going to be would never exist. Because this is taking the cost per ticket over here as multiplying it by the number of tickets which we derive from the entry of the number of tickets. It's multiplying it by that, and it's going to take that and it's going to paste it down here into this text string here. And we're going to say currency is going to put a decimal format. So this is basically the pattern for like how we want the numbers to display. That's it, and this is going to be the display text. This is going to be the display code. It's going to display this exact thing within this text view right here. Okay, so I'm going to build this app, and then we have to run it. Computer's charging. I don't know why. I'm gonna pause the video for a brief second. Okay, we're back. So sorry about that. And yeah, so we're gonna build it. Oh, it finished 5 seconds and 45 seconds and 46 milliseconds ago. So now we're gonna run this. Hopefully, I wiped the AVD manager first. Otherwise, it's gonna give us a problem to run. Yep, I wiped it. Love that boot up fits on this phone. Let me see if I can make this just a wee little bit bigger. I can. Wonderful. That's perfect. It's perfect. So while we wait for that to run, starting. Oh, wonderful. We're gonna find concert tickets right here. Boom. Yep. And we're gonna put in the number of tickets we want. So let's say we want it for the entire class, and the professor says what, 30 people, right? Maybe 27. What's around 28? Then we're gonna choose the band that we want. So following reverse, and then we're gonna click find the cost. Oh right, now this doesn't display accurately on the computer. It only shows well on my phone because like I uploaded it to my phone and it works perfectly fine on my phone. So I really have no idea why. Like everything's the same. Like you even see like on the other one, it works perfectly. I guess it's a formatting issue with the computer or something because it doesn't show up. But oh, hold on, I know why. I know why. I'm gonna pause the video because I know why it's not showing. All right, yeah. So I realized the problem was because on the layout I had it with the ID of S on the layout, so it was kind of conflicting with the display. And I remember that I forgot to fix that. But I fixed it now, so we're gonna build it. I'm sorry that this video is turning out to be so long, but we have a minute to go because we're running out of time. And at 10 minutes this video stops recording. So I'm gonna pause this again until because I just want to show you so you don't think I'm faking this or whatever. I'm gonna pause this so we don't run out of time. Okay. So I got the program running, so we're gonna test it out real quick. We got less than 40 seconds. Let's go. So let's run it. So here we go. We got a number of tickets here. So I'm gonna put in let's say 10 tickets because we got actually we're gonna put in for the entire class. 27 tickets, right? So the check mark. It's gonna plus and find the cost. See, it says the cost of time. It's $2,159. Look, change it for following in reverse. Find the cost. Cost of following in reverse. $2,159. See that? All right, great. Because we're running out of time, Professor. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope that this program or this video was enough to show you everything that you need to see. If not, message me on what's it called? Mind. Thank you.